My name is Frank Montoya, Arizona State University. I am the Senior Product Manager for Salesforce.
My name is Edward Garcia. I'm the Senior Director of Information Technology at the Sandra Day O'Connor College of Law at Arizona State University.
My role as the Senior Product Manager at ASU is to kind of oversee the Salesforce footprint from a digital transformation and a governance perspective, and also an innovation perspective, managing the roadmaps for innovation. So Salesforce at ASU is our system of engagement and is utilized to grow our enrollments, so recruitment. It's also there to provide service to all our learners. So we leverage it for case management and service. We also leverage it to track all the engagements of all our learners, whether they're a degree learner, a non-degree learner, or a parent, or any constituent at ASU. So we want to utilize the tool to gather all that data for all our constituents at ASU. OWN stood out to us as the vendor of choice, or we wanted to partner with OWN. The tool is integrated with Salesforce, right? So it gives us an opportunity to quickly configure, manage, maintain, and actually even make it available to our user base, our super user base, so that they can access some of the archive data that they need to. But most importantly, it gives us a tool that is integrated with Salesforce to protect our data and decrease our storage costs by leveraging OWN.
Well, we started with Backup and Restore in 2018. Obviously, we went with OWN because it was the best choice, it was the only choice for us to make. So we've been using that for, 6 years? Thanks to Frank and all his handiwork, we were able to secure archive for the entire Salesforce ecosystem at ASU. OWN has helped us and is going to help us as we are accredited by a different governing body than the rest of the university, or we're covered by the ABA, which is the American Bar Association. It's important that we're able to archive a lot of our historical alumni data and be able to pull that quickly. As our alums move around to different states and take different bars, we have to be able to access that data to verify that they actually graduated from the law school, pull their transcript information to be able to have that historical academic record and make it easily available for those different teams, whether it's our alumni team or student services team or to those various state bar agencies across the United States. So looking forward to, as we grow and continue to find more use cases, to leverage that awesome tool.
Something about OWN that really excited me and really got me thinking about why we need OWN was really because it would help us comply with our continuity plans, and then it would give us an opportunity to leverage, for example, Premier Plus services, so that we could do continuity plans that were consistent across all our orgs at the university to support our audit requirements, to support our compliance requirements from a data perspective, and also from a backup perspective. Data relevancy is important in the data lifecycle management at ASU because data is becoming really key in this world of AI. So making sure that we have relevant data and not data that isn't relevant in order so that our generative AI results are more accurate and are more factual and more relevant to our key stakeholders that are leveraging generative AI across the university.
So for us at the Sandra Day O'Connor College of Law, our data lifecycle starts at the prospect level and goes all the way through to graduated, but it's all the magic that happens in between. So making sure that we're creating this engaging, personalized experience, showing the student that we care about that. What makes our law school different, right? So using Salesforce and having the ability to back up this critical data and to create this great experience and capture all of these different important pieces along the way, whether it's their anonymous exam ID, whether it's their bar results, whether it's their grades, just creating this personal touch is something that we take a lot of pride in, and something I think that separates us from other law schools across the country.
ASU is the most innovative university in the country, and we want to continue to maintain that status, not only within the country, but globally. So we are very excited that our university approach to Salesforce allows enterprise-wide processing and engagement and data access for all of the different businesses across the university. Again, to not only support our users, but also impact the value that we provide our lifelong learners.